In this course, we're going to be working a lot with the Google Keyword Planner, which is a free tool, absolutely free.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
But there are some questions students have a lot. So this video is meant to make sure that you don't run into problems or roadblocks with this tool, because the Google Keyword tool is a free tool that lives inside Google Ads. And Google Ads you have to pay for, but you do not have to pay for the tool. To get to the tool, if you have a new account, I'm going to be showing you how to set it up and everything. The problem is going to be that's going to confuse you, that confuses a lot of students, which is why I'm making this video, is that Google is going to ask you to create your first ad. And people think they have to pay for the ad. You don't have to pay for the ad. All you have to do is set up your ad. So they will ask you for your credit card. But look, what I want to show you is this is the campaigns. When you set up your first ad, what you'll do is you'll simply click on the campaigns right here on the left side. All the campaigns will come up, and what you can do is just see the pull down. You can say all you want to do is pause it, and you click the pause, and that's going to make sure that you don't spend any money. So you don't have to spend a single penny. You do have to set up your ad. Once you set up your ad, you pause it, and then you're going to have this available to you on the top, and you'll have your tools and settings, and under the tools you'll have your planning and the keyword planner, and they shift it around sometimes. So whenever you watch it, I don't know when that's going to happen for you and how it's going to look like, but it's approximately the same way to find it. So hopefully now you understand that the keyword tool is free. You do have to set up your ad. You don't have to pay any money. Just make absolutely sure that you pause the ad. And once you get that ad set up and running, you'll have access to the Google Keyword tool.